Pasta pesto musical recipe by Beats and Bites Kitchen. A song from the Italian fields, where the earth gives its colors and the hands turn them into dreams. Bring out the blender, let the flavors meet. Turn fresh ingredients into something sweet.
Basil leaves dancing, garlic shining bright. Don't be afraid of a little more, it brings the magic to life.
For the olive oil, golden and slow, the heart of Italian kitchens, the warmth that makes flavors grow.
Add Parmigiano, rich and deep, a little treasure that the sauce will keep.
A touch of salt,
Some pepper too,
a drop of lemon,
fresh and new. Blend it together,
smooth and alive.
a green little garden where flavors arrive.
Now comes the nut.
The final song,
Pine nuts are classic,
but many belong.
walnuts or cashews.
Seeds from the sun, so many pets, so much fun.
Today we choose pistachios, green jewels in the bowl.
Bringing their sweetness, bringing their soul.
Blend just a little, leave pieces behind, so every bite
Has a story to find. The pesto is ready,
the pasta awaits,
boil it with salt.
and open the gates.
Save some pasta water, don't let it go. It's a little golden river
That helps the flavors flow. Mix them together,
slow and kind.
let the sauce and pasta
Become one mind,
a simple dish,
a timeless art,
made with the hands and
made with the heart.
serve it with joy,
Share it with friends,
because good food stories
never really end. Beats and Bites Kitchen, where flavors sing, and every little bite brings a beautiful thing.